Dahil nga po sa malinaw na issue ng magkalayong edad, ganun na rin sa magkaibang lahi at pamumuhay ay madalas na napagbabalingan daw itong mag-asawang sina Mirfa at si Dorian. Ang mister kasi nitong si Mirfa ay isang Austrian national. Bukod pa po dyan ay doble ang edad ni Mirfa sa kanyang mister. Okay? Gayunpaman, ang lahat naman ng mga pangiinsulto na natatanggap na mag-asawang ito ay baliwala na lamang daw sa kanila. Basta wala silang nasasagasaan, wala silang nalalamangan na kanilang mga kapwa. Kaya naman kausapin na nga po natin Mirfa and Dorian ng Butuan City. Magandang tanghali sa inyo. Good afternoon, Mirfa, Dorian.
Good afternoon po.
Oh, Mirfa. Mirfa?
Yes po.
Oh, ano
Yes po.
ang language ba ni Dorian? English?
English and po.
English and German?
Yes po.
Oh.
You can speak in German if you can.
Guten Morgen, einen schönen Tag.
Oh, wow, you surprised me. That's amazing.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah, that's the only statement I can in German. I can say.
Amazing. That's amazing. I didn't expect that.
Yes. Okay. Dorian, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Mirfa. Ang sabi dito, si Dorian ay 50 years old and you are 22 years old. Papaano ba kayo
Okay.
nagkakilala ni Dorian?
Nagkakilala po kami sa dating app.
Mhm. Go
And
ahead.
then, nag-start kami ng conversation sa dating app. And then, pumunta kami sa another app for long-term conversation and long-term communication. And then, get to know each other. Pagkatapos nun, nag-decide siya bibisitahan niya ako dito sa lugar namin.
Sa Butuan.
Yes po.
Okay. So Dorian, you met in a dating app while you're in Austria.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and how did you find Mirfa the first time that you were able to meet her in person?
It was an amazing moment. You know, I always had a video call with her. Was going on some time, and then when we finally meet each other in the airport, I was really like in shock. You know, sometimes I'm always playing the cool guy, you know, the experienced guy. But when I hold her in my arms the first time, I was in shock about her appearance. She's like magic. Maybe you cannot see that in the video because I did not see that in the video call. But when I was in front of her and holding her in my
Yeah.
arms, I was in shock
Yeah.
about her beauty and energy and magic. I
Mhm.
was in shock.
Oh, well, Dorian, you look like you're a tough guy, but you're telling me a story that you were in shock and you were amazed when you saw Mirfa the first time, ano? Oh, and
Yeah.
Mirfa, mukhang tough guy itong si Dorian, pero talaga namang na-break mo, no? Yung tough guy aura niya at na-in love naman talaga sa'yo. Dorian, I'm sorry, did you have a relationship in Austria before you met Mirfa?
Yes, some relationships already there, but you know that was not good. I was searching for traditional woman, like I found in Mirka, and that was not. I did not find it in Austria.
Mhm.
I did not find the value that she brings on the table, you know, and that's why I was so immediately in love with her.
Mhm.
In the video call, we were already in love, but when we meet in person and I get to know her in person, I was really in love. First time in life, I was really in love.
Yeah, for sure, Dorian. You had known many ladies back in Austria. What makes Mirfa different from them?
Everything. She's a completely different person, you know. There's a saying in our country, there are Western women and there are Filipino women. We all know there that Filipino women are more valuable than the Western women. You know, they are more traditional, they are more loving, they're more caring, they have more charm, and they are the most beautiful women. But I found I perfect Filipino in Mirfa.
Yeah.
And that's the truth. God knows that's the truth.
The perfect Filipina you found in Murpha.
Yes, sir.
Wow, ang galing naman, ang sweet naman nun. Oh, napaka-sweet naman nung sinabi niya ni Dorian. So how long have you been together, Mirfa?
1 year married na po kami.
Hindi ka ba, syempre, eto nga, napag-uusapan natin yung layo ng edad ninyo. You're 22 years old, 50 si Dorian. Eto na ang mga chismosang mga kapitbahay. Papaano nyo na sila sinagupa? Ano ba mga sinasabi nila against your relationship?
Well, palagi po kami nakarinig sa kanila like may husband at so much tattoo or marami po siyang tattoo tapos matangkad or big guy, mga ganyan. And then, tapos sinasabi nila parang akong Bieber girl kasi parang bata ako sa personal, mga ganyan. So, every day po kami nakakarinig at for the first time, parang too much na po sa amin, parang nasasaktan kami sa mga sinasabi ng iba, mga ganyan. And then, until we get used na ganyan talaga ang tao, like judgment. And then, nag-start po kami sa social media. Marami po siya, more on social media po pa talaga ang judgment kaysa sa personal po namin. And then, yun, nakita nila, like, na-inspire sila sa akin. Kasi daw, brave ako sa social media, hindi ko na kinakaya yung husband ko. So, sabi ko naman po, bakit ko naman ikikaya na I choose him over many foreigners kasi marami naman foreigners na nagkagusto sa akin through social media po, and then sinasabi nila pera lang daw yung hanap ko sa foreigner ko, mga ganyan, kasi bata pa daw ako, marami daw akong ma-meet na mas bata pa daw sa kanya. So para po sa akin, yung goal ko talaga is makahanap ng mas matanda ka sa akin, like mature na lalaki, mga ganyan po. Pero sa ngayon po, dinididma po namin yung mga judgmental people, especially sa social media.
Yeah. Oo. Ayan, kasi nga sa social media, mas madali na magsabi yung iba na mga ibabato sa inyo. Okay, pag-usapan nga natin yan, papaano ba na iniisip agad nung iba, Mirfa, na pera lang ni Dorian yung kailangan mo? Papaano yun? Papaano raw nila naiisip? Alam ba nila na ikaw naman ay naghahanap buhay din? Naghahanap buhay ka rin ba, Mirfa?
Hindi po. That time po, estudyante po ako. And then, yung trabaho po kasi niya, he was ex-MMA, mga ganyan. And then, started social media. Sabi ko sa kanila na, kasi maraming nagtatanong ano daw trabaho ng husband ko. So, coach po siya sa kanilang country. And then, pagdating po like foreigner, marami ng pera, mga ganyan. Yan po ang palagi nilang inaisip na pag foreigner is marami na talagang pera. And di po kailangan ng love. But for me po sir, is yung una ko talagang na-in-love sa husband ko is love po. Wala pa ako nag-base sa pera. Kasi ang importante sa ako is love before money, like that.
Did you go through the process of getting to know each other, or you're in a relationship already online, Dorian, with Mirfa before you came to Butuan?
That's a good question. Yes, we thought it was a relationship already that we had in the video call, but I think our relationship started when we meet first time in the airport. Because to say like this is a relationship when you just see in a video chat, it is really strange. You know, you have to meet the person personal, and that's what we always say. Our relationship started in the airport of Butuan in December or January when I come there, and then first thing started.
Yeah.
And some months later we were married.
Yeah, it's a confirmation when you met her that you're correct with your decision to get into a relationship with Mirfa. Is that right?
Yes.
Is that right? Mirfa told me you're a coach. You're a coach of which sport?
I was in MMA sports. That is a martial arts sports. I was a fighter and I was in some coaching there in the country.
Mhm.
Here, I don't do that here. I'm just relaxing here. I'm
Mm.
already retired and we have a good and quiet life here.
Yeah.
So I'm not into martial arts anymore. I'm just doing that for myself. Like I'm going to the gym here in the Powerhouse Gym Butuan. I'm doing my training there,
Mhm.
and I hope I find some buddies to train with. So if you live in the Butuan and you want to train with me,
Me? You're
message
asking
me.
me?
Finish party.
Oh, I'd love to. I'd love to train with you, Dorian. What about
Yeah.
your tattoos? Is Mirfa's name on it? Do you still have a space
I will not do
for
any
Mirfa's
tattoo
name?
anymore. No, I will not do her name
Yeah.
because we are married forever. We don't have to do that. In the Philippines, there is no divorce, as you might know.
Yes. Yes.
So this is
And
this ring. This
mm,
ring says more than any tattoo will ever say. And
oh.
also, I don't want to get any tattoos anymore. My whole body is full of tattoos, and I
Mm-hmm.
don't need any
Mm.
tattoos anymore.
And
If you
here,
don't want it.
oh, and Dorian, here in the Philippines, they say it's bad luck to have your wife or your husband, your man, tattooed on your skin.
Yeah,
No, they say it's
exactly. We
bad
say the
luck.
same thing. That's not a good. It's not a good
Yeah.
idea to put the name on your
Yes.
body.
All right. I'm sure you're aware of the stories that Mirfa's followers in social media are saying against your relationship. Aside from the fact that Mirfa is more than twice the age. She's 22. You're 50 years old, though you look younger. Uh, how do you handle this?
That is not a real deal for us, because he was always looking for an older guy because an older guy has a lot of life experience. They don't doing stupid things like young guys doing. That what was he was searching for an older guy, and I was searching for a younger woman, because a younger woman is blooming. All successful men at a certain age want a young woman. Everybody is honest. And
Mm-hmm.
I'm lucky and blessed to have found myself a young woman,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm already experienced in my life, so I don't do any stupid things anymore. She can trust me.
Yeah. All right. Mirfa, ikaw ba ay meron na ba kayong well, 1 year married na kayo ni Dorian, ano? Oo, kayo ba ay meron na ring plans of having a baby soon?
Wala pa po for now,
Mm.
nagpaplano po kami sa future namin before kami magka-baby kasi gusto po namin, unahin yung future namin para makabigay kami ng good future sa aming mga anak in the future.
Mhm. Tama ba 'yon? Yung sabi ni Dorian, medyo malabo lang kanina, no? Merong gusto niyang magtayo ba ng gym? Ganun ba 'yon? O meron na?
Ano po yung
Oo. Kung saan siya pwede mag-train ano, ng martial arts. Tama ba?
yes po.
Oo. Eh, ikaw ba? Tinuturuan ka na rin ni Dorian mag-martial arts, Mirfa?
Minsan lang po kasi hindi po ako sanay tapos sobrang hirap mag-ano, training everyday.
Oo, pero pagka nakita mo nga ano, yung mga nagte-train talaga at kitang-kita rin naman sa physique ni Dorian, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman siya magpasa hanggang ngayon. So, nandito ba si Dorian for good na or umuwi-uwi rin sa Austria?
Wala po siyang plano magstay dito ngayon kasi kailangan po niya bumalik doon sa kanilang country.
Mm. Oo. So, ganun na muna. Philippines, then Austria, then Philippines and Austria. Dorian, when are you, have you taken Mirfa in Austria? To Austria?
Not yet, not yet. We will do that maybe in the end of the year or maybe next year.
Mm-hmm.
So right now we're enjoying to be here in the Philippines and we started living here together. Also, I like it more here. So to be honest, it's more better here.
Mm-hmm.
The weather is better, the foods is better, the people are more nice here. Austria is Yeah, half of the year it's cold there. Everything is crazy and business orientated there. So the life is better and relaxed here in the Philippines. And
Mm,
many foreigners know that's why we all come here.
yeah.
Some come here for vacation and some here stay
Mm.
to stay forever here, like expats.
What about the
So
weather
I'm
here? Did you enjoy the humid weather, the hot weather in the Philippines?
I love it. I absolutely love it because in my country it's really cold. Half of the year it's so cold you cannot go outside without freezing. So I like the hot weather and the humid here. No
Mm.
problem with that.
And what can you say about the Filipino hospitality, Dorian?
That's amazing. I've never experienced something like that. The Filipinos are really so kind and so smiling all the time. Even then there is a problem like last year when there was a lot of typhoons and
Mm-hmm.
problems and quakes. But the people are always positive. You know, you cannot change them. They are so strong inside, and I, I learned a lot from Filipino people, like being always positive, and
Mm-hmm.
it's a good mindset.
Yes.
Yes.
So, how's your relationship with Mirfa's family?
Oh, I absolutely love them. They welcomed me and already a part of the family. We enjoy going there like once a week and we have a good time there. And in my first time in my life, they forced me to sing karaoke.
Oh,
We don't do that in my country. We never sing in front of other people.
yes.
Maybe when you are, but here you have to do that. You know, my wife told me when I come here, you have to sing karaoke. And I told her, no, no, no way, I will never do that. You know, but
Yes.
they forced me, and then
Mm.
becomes so easy to do that. You know, because the
Oh.
family is like really a unique bond. They are really a strong family, and especially the father and the mother. I'm so happy that they raised Mirfa so well. So she's the person that she is now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy to be a part of the family. And I'm happy that they accept me. Even I'm looking like this, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Oo, kita nyo naman ha, sa mga kapatid nga po natin dyan, nag-enjoy itong si Dorian, Austrian national, pero nag-enjoy sa ating karaoke, sa ating videoke, di ba? Pagkagaling. Oo, nasa Austria, hindi siya kumakanta. Pero kapag dating dito sa Pilipinas, ayun daw, kumakanta raw siya. Oo, dahil sa pamilya rin naman nitong si Mirfa. So, when are you, do you plan to settle in the Philippines for good, Dorian, anytime soon? Since you and Mirfa is married already.
Yes, it was not my first plan. First, we were thinking that she will come to Austria, and we tried it, but it is really like difficult because of all the visa and requirements. We can do that, you know, that's not a
Mhm.
problem in the future. But then I felt so much in love with the Philippines that I said, let's stay here. The life is more better here, you know. And that's what we're doing now. We want to stay some time here.
Mhm.
We want to travel the world together. And we can go to Austria anytime we want. Also, I have family there. I want to visit them.
Yeah.
And
Mm.
maybe we'll do that next year.
So,
We have
Mirfa.
no plans. So,
Alright. So Mirfa, kung meron kang choice, saan mo mas gusto? Dito sa Pilipinas o dun sa Austria? Dito sa Pilipinas, sabi nga, sabi ni Dorian, mas gusto niya ang environment dito, di ba? The Filipino hospitality, the food, the videoke, di ba? Yan, gusto niya yan.
Yes.
Pero ikaw ba, kung mabibigyan ng chance, mas gusto mo sa Austria? Walang mga chismos ang kapitbahay?
Para sa akin po, I choose to live here in Philippines kasi nandito yung family ko. And then, sabi niya po, sobra daw lamig doon sa kanilang country, baka hindi ko daw makaya, mga
Mhm.
ganyan. Pero okay lang yung mga chismosa dito kasi sanay naman po ako.
Mm. Sanay na. Oo, at unbothered na kayo parehas, ano? Kaya ano ba ang message ninyo dito sa mga walang tiwala sa relationship ninyo kahit pa nga kayo ay married na, Mirfa and Dorian? Go ahead.
So, sa mga walang tiwala sa mga relationship, just try lang po na maghanap kayo ng the right person. And pray lang po kayo for the right person. Kung hindi mag-work ng relationship, mag-wait na lang sa tamang parang baka hindi pa yun yung meant to be nila. Tapos, sa mga gusto din makapag-foreigner, mag-pray din kayo for the right person kasi the right person will come in the right time.
Okay. Ikaw na mag-relay kay Dorian nung tinanong ko. Papagod na ako mag-English eh. O, sabi mo sa kanya, mag-message din siya.
Relationship.
Here's my advice for the people that don't trust our relationship. I think that's not your business, you know. You don't have to.
Yeah.
If you don't trust our relationship, that will not affect us in any way.
Mm.
It's not a problem. Yeah, not their business.
Yan. Oh, yun, no? Short but sweet message from Dorian. Our relationship is none of your business. Diba?
Yes.
Off limits na yan. That's too private. Ayan, pero alam nyo naman dito sa Pilipinas, kapag ka may nakikitang mga foreigner, katulad nga nitong si Dorian, sa edad, lahat yan pakikialaman. The age, yung mga tattoo, di ba? Tama ba, Mirfa? Yung mga tattoo,
Yes.
yung itsura niya, yung height niya, lahat yan. Ano bang trabaho niyan? Di ba? Tapos sa mga nagtatanong nito, hindi mo naman ka-close. Pero yung mga ka-close mo, wala lang. Gusto lang rin naman makilala. Yung tao na pinili mo. Okay, Dorian and Mirfa, the unbothered couple. Thank you very much sa pagtanggap ng ating tawag and for inspiring our viewers or listeners also na hindi na dapat tayo gusto ko 'yon yung ganung message ni Dorian. It's none of your business. It's our relationship. If we're happy, we're happy. If kung hindi kami masaya, hindi kami masaya. None of your business, 'di ba? Unless humingi kami ng tulong. Ganun naman talaga dapat pero alam mo dito sa Pilipinas kasi we believe, Dorian, in very close family ties. That's why people sometimes get into the business of others. Diba? Yung mga ganyan yan. Mga pakialamero. Do you know what pakialamero is? Alam niya na ba, Mirfa, yung mga ganyan? Mga chismosa, ganun. Oo, naituturo na rin. Okay, thank you Dorian and Mirfa, ayan, sa pag-join
Thank you
and
so
for
much.
inspiring other couples like you. Yun. Oo. Ayan, nakakatakot yung katawan ni Dorian. Oo, parang naalala mo yung basketball player dati si Dorian Peña rin, laking tao rin nun. Pero itong si Dorian na nakausap natin, para namang yung wrestler, Phil-Am wrestler, si Batista. 'Di ba? Parang ganun yung datingan niya, parang si Batista, nagaano pala ito. Martial artist din. Magaling. Sige, minsan mag-sparring tayo. Sasama kayo? Sama kayo? Kayo na, manonood ako Panonoorin ko yung papawis. Okay, sige. Ayan, napakinggan nga po natin ang kwento nitong si Mirfa at si Dorian. Pero bakit nga ba ang hirap dito sa atin sa Pilipinas? Na tanggapin ang isang relationship na magkalayo ang edad, 'di ba? O kaya naman ay ibang lahi. Meron agad na mga judgment, 'di ba? Sabi nga kanina ni Mirfa, ang ating kababayan, sinasabi nung iba na pera lang naman yung foreigner yung kailangan mo. Well, meron kasing katotohanan din naman doon sa iba na gumagamit ginagamit ang kanilang ganda, ang kanilang kabataan para pagkakitaan ang mga foreigner. Pero with Mirfa and Dorian, nakita naman natin sa kanilang mga mukha na sila ay in love din. Si Dorian nga, sabi niya nga, puno ako ng tattoo, ganito ang katawan ko, pero nung makita ko si Mirfa, I felt true love. Yan po, lumambot bigla ang masel na tao. Na nagma-martial arts pa nga at hindi ho talaga siya maliit na tao. Ayan. Nang dahil kay Dorian. At sila po ay kasal na. Kaya ang paalaala rin sa atin ni Mirfa, ipagpe-pray yung mga ganito, pati yung partner natin. O na ibibigay sa atin, kay foreigner yan, kay Filipino yan. Pag-pray natin na, Lord, ibigay mo naman yung tamang partner para sa akin. Yung makakatuwang ko, yung makakatulong sa akin. Hindi yung pogi lang, yung maganda lang, pero laging sakit sa ulo ko. Huwag ganon. Mga kapatid, patuloy po kayong tumutok sa 105.9 True FM para sa mga totoong balita, impormasyon, music, and entertainment. Mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at podcasts at sundan nyo rin kami sa Facebook, Instagram, X at TikTok sa @TrueNetworkPH. Bisitahin ang aming website sa truefm.ph. Kami ang 105.9 True FM. Laging true sa'yo, kapatid.